Welcome back to Long Way Home, everyone, the channel where even if you don't own a bike and you walk around with a helmet to impress the ladies, you can at least be up to date with the news, just in case they ask you about something current. Yeah, like that's ever gonna happen. Get your motorbike news in a pleasant way. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Story number 1. Our beloved Ewan and Charley are back at it again. The famous pair of actor/adventure riders have reunited to plan their third world trip. Nothing is set in stone yet, but if the pair are successful, their ride will begin in Argentina and finish in Barrow, Alaska, covering approximately 15,000 road miles. 15,000 beautifully filmed road miles. Nothing has been announced yet about the bikes they have chosen to ride. Will they stick with the BMW GS adventure bikes that they rode in Long Way Round, Long Way Down, Long Way Home? Or do they plan to go a different route? One thing is for certain, pretty much any motorbike manufacturer should be more than happy to offer them the bikes or any other support that they need, because this is a major marketing opportunity. Thanks in large part to Ewan and Charley, BMW has become synonymous with the adventure bike segment. Moving on, in a world where bigger is better, it seems that Honda may debut. Why do you put such difficult words on there, Dave? Use smaller ones, man. Debut a bigger version of the Africa Twin for 2020. Although nothing has been announced yet officially, this mid-life revamp will bring the Africa Twin in line with the new Euro 5 regulations that come into effect from 1st of January 2020. Rumors also have the new Africa Twin's engine increasing to 1080cc and producing around 5 more horsepower. And you all know what that means. More weight, heavier, fatter. The Africa Twin already is the heaviest bike when it comes to the mid-weight adventure segment, and she sure ain't going on a diet for 2020. Reports also indicate that the model will get a bigger gas tank. More weight, but at least this is useful weight, because you know, you put gas in the tank and gas makes you go. You know, for the exorbitant prices we pay for these adventure bikes, you would think that weight would be a huge selling factor for manufacturers. Something they would concentrate on, something they would improve on generation after generation. But no, look at the steel frame for the Africa Twin. Do you know how much steel weighs? A ton, that's how much it weighs. And you can quote me on that. Moving on, Yamaha has issued 2 recalls for their R3 and their MT-03 for issues of radiator leaks and gear shift problems. Regarding the radiator recall, some bikes have insufficient hose material curing at the manufacturing that may lead to cracking, which will also lead to spilling of the coolant. Regarding the gear shifts, due to a defective torsion spring, riders may not be able to select the desired gear. Inability to shift gears properly may cause riders difficulty when maneuvering the motorcycle. Like when trying to overtake a truck, for example. Hey Dave? You don't ride a bike, do you, Dave? No? So if you've bought a second-hand Yamaha R3 or MT-03 that was manufactured between 2015 and 2018, call Yamaha. If you've bought it new, Yamaha will call you. New statistics show how few motorcycle thefts result in action. The figures refer only to London and show that in the past 4 years over 45,000 motorcycle or moped thefts were reported in the capital. But only 1,200 people were ever charged with an offense. That means that 70% of investigations were closed with no suspect being identified. Despite extensive CCTV covering London, data protection laws are being used to impede these investigations and the thieves get away with it. So in 2019 we have CCTV cameras at every corner of the street, but forget about using the footage to recover your bike. Data privacy. Privacy of the thieves. So what do you rely on if you live in an area such as London, where bike thefts seem to be the norm? Bike alarms, do you lock it up and pray for the best? Let me know in the comments, what do you use to protect your baby? In my opinion, there is only one tool that's on my bike and lets me sleep easy at night. The trusty GPS. For only 5 to 10 euros a month, you know exactly where your baby is. Well, that's the show, everyone. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and consider subscribing if you've learned something new today. See you in the next episode.